CNC Corner Cleaning Machine. This machine is used for corner cleaning 90 degrees angle of plastic doors and windows. The routing can cut outer corners and complete vertical surfaces cleaning ordered by the procedure. Top and bottom milling knives can mill the top and bottom surfaces. Another 2 top and bottom milling cutters can clean seal grooves and left inner glass easily. Optional, 3 cutters, 5 cutters, and 6 cutters. If you're interested in our product, please contact us immediately. We look forward to working with you to establish friendly relations of cooperation.